Hey everyone, in this training I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to make your script more concise when you're sending them a text message. So in ChatGPT there is this thing called prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is basically you telling the AI model what to do in order to produce the outcome or the result that you want. So over here I would prompt the AI to say something like this, right? I say, as a top Mary Kay sales trainer, help me revise this hostess invitation script, and then this 2:. So then I copy paste the one that I sent by email, which has a lot more words, right? And then what ChatGPT did is to make it more engaging while maintaining a personal touch. And so you can read it all here. And then I'm going to scroll down. And then ChatGPT said, this version is streamlined and highlights the excitement while making it easy for the recipient to understand what to expect. And then I can tell ChatGPT to revise it because when I was doing this tutorial, it has my name, but I'm just going to change it to Bobby Lazara, which is my beauty consultant expert and who's also my team member. And then over here, it changes out to Bobby's name. And then ChatGPT asked me, do you want any further adjustment? Then I said, can you change Mary Consulted page thing to just click here? So then it did that for me right here, right? But this format looks too much like a email format. So I also make sure that ChatGPT change it to the correct date. And then, so here's the version. And then again, I said, can you edit to be more concise and to the point, eliminate the warmly and click to purchase products directly to fit it more like a text message instead of writing an email. So then ChatGPT produces this concise text message style version of your invitation. Hi Tina, join us for a fun evening. So very direct, right? And then I said, hey, you missed the words. Don't forget to download the Mary Kay Skin Analyzers. Please add those words, right? And so ChatGPT added it right here. Now, I didn't like the word explore your skin over there. Add the words. I'm so excited. And then anyway, so I tell ChatGPT, please add the words. I'm so excited. You know, all that good stuff over there. And then it did this for me. All right, so, and then all of this stuff right here. Okay, yeah, that is, so what I did was I stopped right here. Okay, so I stop right here, then I kind of copy this. Oops, why is not let, okay, why is it not letting me copy it? Okay, there you go. So I copy this, edit, copy, and then I go to my notes, and then I actually change it out to a little bit like this, right? So when I copy paste this, so when I try to paste this like this, it doesn't work that way. So what I needed to do was actually type out the Mary Kay version with the URL here. So you can see this is the Apple URL, this is the Android version, this is the Mirror Me app, this is the Apple version, and this is the Android version, right? So the only thing that I change is the part that say explore your skin. So what I did was I go ahead and went to the invitation script, and here's an example of the invitation script. Let's see here. Well, you can change, I could change this to Mirror Me app to explore our state of the art skin analyzer and the newest colors virtually. So I just wanted to make that change because, you know, explore our state-of-the-art skin analyzer and the newest colors virtually. All right, so that's all good. Now then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, right? So the way you find this particular script is you're going to go back to the boards, and then it's just right down under step 4, and make sure you are connected to Canva. So you have to log into Canva. So click on that, and then you're going to click on edit template, and then it will let you go to this particular text message example. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go to my notes. Go back to your notes. I'll just make a new one right here and copy paste. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure you hover, and then so what I do is I click on it at the end, I enter, and then it would highlight it. So click at it at the end, enter, and then it would highlight it. Click at the end, enter, highlight it. Click at the end, enter, highlight it. All right, of course you are going to remove the word hostess name, and then of course you are going to remove all of this stuff right here. Now because Bobby is a Mary Kay beauty expert, so she can use that verbiage, but if you're new, you're going to say something like, I'm a Mary Kay beauty consultant, and then that should be good to go. And then let's see here. Okay, so it looks like it's all good. So I'm going to read it out. It says, hi Tina, join us for an evening of beauty and skincare tips with Mary Kay beauty expert Bobby Lazara on Tuesday via Zoom. We'll cover the latest skincare trends and makeup tips, all from the comfort of your home. Don't forget to download the Mary Kay Skincare Analyzer and Mirror Me apps to explore our state-of-the-art skin analyzer and the newest color virtually. I'm so excited to see you there for our Zoom Girls Night Out and meet all of my close friends. I can't wait to see you there, and it's going to be a night filled with beauty, laughs, and connection. Susan. And then over here I said apps, optional or only if you're tech savvy. So I need to say something like download apps. Okay, download apps. All right, I'm gonna go back to my here, and then this I'm gonna do it for you guys here. Download apps. Okay, all right, let me close those. Let me close these. 1 second right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my notes, right? So now I have already added it the way I like it. Again, the reason why I'm giving you the ChatGPT option is because some of you have your own style of writing. So sometimes I may not be able to help you all the time because sometimes I get super busy. I have another business as well. But I want to empower you and give you this training so you can do it on your own and be happy with the message that you craft, okay? And give you a little bit more of control. In any case, here I'm going to then now copy this. Okay, so I'm going to pretend that I am the hostess, okay? So as the hostess, I'm going to then copy, paste this to all my guests. Now, just pretend that Bobby's my guest. Of course, she's my beauty consultant, but for the purpose of this training, she is my guest, and I'm going to message, 20 people, right? So the thing about parties, right, you have to invite 20 people, then maybe 10 will respond, and then maybe 5 will attend. And then I can tell you that if you send a text message, you also want to call them to confirm, because you'll get a higher response rate when you actually build relationships. And again, with Mary Kay, it's all about relationships, okay? That is the important thing, and that's why I love Mary Kay, is because you're building connections with women and empowering people while you're having fun, right? The skincare parties are so much fun to learn, and I'm learning a lot of new things every day, and I'm so excited about Mary Kay, All right, so I'm going to then enter this, right? then make sure you don't forget to add your photo. All right, so you're going to, oops, and then make sure you add the flyer right here. There you go. So you want to make sure that you send the text message, and then also make sure you want to send the PNG version of your flyer. And then over here you can see that it's a clickable Zoom link. They can click there and then it'll take them to Zoom. If they open it, it will go to Bobby Lazar. Now again, if you have a different sales director or national sales director or somebody that recruited you, make sure you change out the Zoom link that's going to help you present your event, okay? And then of course, over here, the reason why you want to say download apps optional or only if you're tech savvy is because you want to give them a choice. Sometimes people get really overwhelmed with technology. So, but sometimes they love technology and maybe their children might help them. So you want to give them that option. All right, guys, I hope this training helps you learn how to prompt ChatGPT. Basically, prompting is just telling ChatGPT what you want it to do and then to give you the output. Okay? All right, guys, talk to you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.